It's Friday Souls, it's Friday Souls. What you gonna make? If you want to see what I've been up to in my sewing room, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, I hope that you are having a fantabulous week. This is Friday Sews. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about what I've been working on this week and last week in my sewing room, because I didn't get to show you guys a video, share a video last week. You know, things happen, health happened, so I had a little health thing going on. It's still going on, but better than I was. So I said, let me get on here and make a video. I had a couple of people reach out and was concerned because they didn't see a video. So I really appreciate you guys for checking on me. The first thing that I did was the, and forgive me for looking down, guys. I got my little notepad so I can stay in order. But the first thing I made was the Sunday morning jumper. I think that's the name of it. If it's not, I will put it in the up here on the screen for you guys. But this is just a easy to sew jumper. It is very beginner friendly. I like it for the purpose that it is created for, and it's just a piece of loungewear. I did wear it out, but I don't think I'm going to wear it out again, just because this material, I think I would like to try it in a woven, like a lightweight denim. I think that'll be really cute. But this is the jumper. It's really easy. It has 3 pieces, and then they give you instructions on how to create the strap, and they give you 2 options where you can create a strap like this, or you can create an adjustable strap. So I just chose this strap and I measured. As always, I always cut the wrong size with my Mood Society pattern, so I needed a little bit more room in the hip, which is another reason why it'll just be loungewear. But it's really cute. This material is really comfortable. I think this is, if I'm not mistaken, I got this bundle from Walmart sometime last year. And it's just really cute. For the hem on the bottom, I folded it up and just created that, just a little something different at the bottom. But it's really cute. What you won't see on mine that is in the pattern, I created facings for mine, just to give it just a more of a clean look. And I did not put the pockets on, because when I was trying it on, like I said, it was a little bit tight on the hips, and I didn't want the pockets on that. I will like to make another, because when I tell you that this is super simple, it is really super simple. As a matter of fact, when I make the second one, I'll probably just record myself so you can see how easy it is to put this together. But again, this is a Mood Society pattern. I think it came out on January 17th, I believe. But like I said, I'll put the information up here on the screen so you can see what I made. Next, I made another super simple make that was, it turned out to be a little bit better than I thought it was going to be. This is Simplicity 9679. So I created this. This is what I'm wearing, and I'll put pictures up as I talk about it. But I had like a piece of this, what is like little velvety piece, I guess. Anyway, I had like maybe a yard of this, and so I was trying to just use it up. So I made view B the sleeveless view. But this I have since gained weight since I purchased this pattern, so I made it twice, and the other one you'll see later. But you will this one, when Simplicity goes on sale, I'll probably get the next size up, because this really was simple. When I made the second one, I did do some grading, but I didn't save the pattern, and I used like some I wasn't at home, I was somewhere else, and I use remnants of wrapping paper, and I do that to make my pattern, to make the other pattern bigger. And after I saw that I needed to make it bigger, I was like, oh wow, why didn't I keep that? Because that was like tailored to my size. So I'll either draft one, or I just pick up another one in the next size up, which isn't a big deal. To grade it up, what I do is just look at this size. I think this goes to a 12, so I think the next size is a 14. So I just grade it up however much the distance was between the two sizes, and I just made it wider. And this should have been a little longer, which I did. It was only a yard of fabric, but I think I would have had enough to make this longer, because this actually should be coming off the shoulder and like that, but it doesn't. But that's fine. It's cute, nice little work shirt. And one little tip I'm going to tell you guys, when you're working with these kinds of fabric, I call it a velvet, or what do you call it? Velour or whatever. Make sure that you have it going in the right direction, because if I feel this right here, if I feel down, I feel it's going in the right direction, right? But if I feel down below this seam line you guys see right here, it's rough. But if you rub up, then it's the right direction. So luckily this is a print, so you probably can't tell, but if this was a solid, one will be light and one will be dark, because I did it in the wrong way, the wrong direction. So just make sure that you have your fabrics going in the correct directions when you're cutting, and don't make the same mistake that I made. But I highly recommend this pattern. It is so awesome. And I know I'm late to the game. So many people before me have made this pattern already, but I really do like it. For this sleeveless shirt, the next time, and I'll probably make it again, I'm just gonna go up a size bigger. Like, this is really the sleeveless version is really a good, I guess, remnant buster. Not necessarily scraps, because my scraps sometimes really be scraps. But if you have like the 1 yard remnants that you get like from Joann's at the remnant bin, or sometimes I purchase the craft bundles from Fabric Mart, and those are just 6 1 yard pieces. This patterns like this is really good to use up those pieces for. So that's why, as a matter of fact, this is one of those bundles that came out of a craft bundle from last year sometime, and this really was right dead on with using up that fabric in a great way, where I still got a garment out of it. So anybody looking for something that you can make for yourself with 1 yard, this is it. What's coming up with the channel? So I want to say thank you to you guys who have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing over here, where we are learning to sew together. This is a journey. Now I want to talk about what's coming up on the channel. So if you saw last, but first of all, I want to say thank you. I am so excited about this series, because so many people have reached out to me and they were like, this is such a great idea. The only thing that I did not do is I should have asked other YouTubers to join me on this journey, because I didn't know it was going to be this popular amongst other people. But I am so in love with this series. It is the First Lady in Fashion, because we are in an election year, and this is not a channel where we talk about politics. We talk about sewing, and I was like, well, how can we incorporate sewing into the election, into sewing? And I came up with the idea. So I'm very excited. Last month we did Dr. Jill Biden. So if you have not, I'll put that up here, and I'll put the link in the description box below. So if you haven't checked out that video, you can check out that. She has this dress that she wore with lemons on it, and I purchased a lemon fabric from Joann's Fabrics. But I do want to say, in the picture, if I can get it, I'll put it up. But in the picture that she has, her lemon dress, I want to say they have some, if not the same, some very similar lemon fabric to what she has on in that dress. at Mood Fabrics. I found one with them. It was just more than I wanted to spend at the time, but it's really almost identical to the fabric that she has on in that dress, if anyone is interested. So this month we will be talking about Michelle Obama. So it has been a journey with Michelle Obama, just because I feel like she is one of the top fashionistas. And when you see her, or you are waiting for her to enter a room, you don't know what to expect, because all her outfits, whoever her stylist is, has always just done a wonderful job with styling her. Everything just looks so nice, so you don't know what to expect. So I'm going to put the 3 pictures up here that I chose from to make what I'm going to make for the first Sunday in February. So this episode will be this Sunday. I want to say that is the 3rd or the 4th. I'll put the date up. I will have that video posted, and that is going to be my inspiration, will be Michelle Obama, where I take one of her looks and recreate it for my own body. So that is all about that. And then in that video, because I don't have my list with me, I would tell you who will be for March, but I don't have the list with me right now. But in that video, I will tell you who will be coming up for March. So remember, those episodes are the first Sunday in each month. Let's talk about what's going to be new this month. As you know, February is Black History Month. So last year I did a Black History series, and I would like to continue on with that series. Last year I did Black designers. This year I am going to feature Black designers who create different bags and accessories as well as clothes. So each week I will bring you a different make where that designer was the inspiration for what I made. So this coming up Wednesday will be Telfar Clemens. I think I'm saying his name right. If I am saying it wrong, I will get it straight before I record the video. But he's very popular for his bags that they're like a tote bag. He's very popular for those, and when they drop, you like have to be on it because they sell out within minutes. So he's going to be my inspiration for the first week of Black History Month, the Black History Month series. So please stay tuned for that. That'll be this coming up Wednesday. I want to talk about another series ventures that is about to start this month. And as we get closer, I'll give you more information. But So Lovely with Grace and Sewing Up Style and myself have gotten together, and we're going to do another series this year. It is called Discovering Denim. So please stay tuned for that. You're going to love it. The first one is a doozy, and you're going to see what we did to accomplish our goal of what we picked to do as our first episode. So please, guys, stay tuned to the channel for that. And if you have not subscribed to these ladies, please go and subscribe to them as well. And I wanted to make sure that you knew about a challenge that I'm going to be participating in this month. It is the Black History Month Pattern Designers Challenge that is put on by So Natural Dane. So if you have not heard of her, which you should have, please go over to her channel and check out her channel so you can get more information. The rules I will post up here. I don't want to say anything because I really don't know them all by heart, and I don't want to give you the wrong information, but I will be sure to post the rules up here and put a link to her channel in the description box below. I am looking forward to this. I have several things that are going to be coming out on Valentine's Day, so please stay tuned to the channel to see all of the great things that we have coming forth. All right, guys, if you have made it this far, I know that you have subscribed, and I just want to say thank you for taking the time to subscribe to my channel. I especially want to say a huge thank you to those who have been subscribed to me since the beginning and over time. I really, really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you for making my channel what it is today. Before we go, I want to do a shout out to The Will Stitcher. She is starting her YouTube channel, And I would appreciate it if you could go to her channel and give her some love. Let's try to get her to her 100 subscriber milestone. With all of that said, guys, I want you to have a great day. And as always, you are so special to me. Thanks for stopping by and have a great week. And don't forget to tune in on Sunday. See you later. Bye-bye.